Hey, this is John Young here with the Weekend Handyman. We've talked about scaffolding and how scaffolding can be much safer for doing DIY projects such as getting on the roof to check things, fixing shingles, whatever. One of the pieces that when you're buying scaffolding, you can buy the units themselves. This is a section. You can buy the planks, which are obviously needed to get up there and do what you need to do. But this is sometimes an overlooked piece right here. This is nothing super fancy. I'm going to turn it so you can see. It's just a 7-foot piece of metal. This is from MetalTech, and the official model number, there is such a thing. This is a galvanized guardrail. It's 7 foot 84 inch. It's model M-MGPUSL. But what this will do is that if you're up doing something, say if you're going to be painting on the side of the house, and like this scaffolding has got wheels under it, and say if you're painting and sliding, whatever, a guardrail will help keep you from falling out. I guess that would make sense, wouldn't it? Typically, you've got your little supports. These are the little X supports that are going on each side. But what happens is, let me put this in, I'm going to just do it, is the guardrail, you lift up the little pieces, and you slide the guardrail in, and I'll come over here. Somehow there's a way of holding and covering the pin. You lift it up, you slide the guardrail on, and now this guardrail, which you wouldn't use it on the same side as you have the X most likely, but you could. But the guardrail now gives you a little support, so you're not going to step off the scaffolding, say if you're painting or you're cleaning windows. One of the things we're going to be doing with this is that we finished with the roof project. Now we're going to go and clean windows on the second story here before we get freeze. And having a guardrail means that you can come over here and you can kind of reach a little bit farther. You have a little weight there and not have to worry so much about all of a sudden tipping and stepping off the scaffolding. We'll put a link in the description below again so you can check this out. But the guardrail here is from MetalTech, as is the piece up here, and a lot of the scaffolding you can find out from Home Depot. Yeah, links will be in the description below. Check that out and be safe when you're doing your DIY projects.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.